on 2,500 subscribers. Thank you so much. I am truly grateful. Like 2,500 subscribers. I am out of words. Anyways, glow get. Everything from beauty to money moves. Oh shit. I just remembered I need to do my lashes and I have to be out of the house by 1 and the time now is 12:24. I know someone is probably asking why I'm still vlogging, whereas you are supposed to be packing. My room is a mess. I have a washing that I need to hang. I need to clean my room. I need to pack. I need to do my lashes. Do you think I can do everything at once? No. So we'll probably leave at 2, not at 1. But we're supposed to be there at 2. Eh. But anyways, join me as I clean my room, pack, and other things as well. Oh. Wow. It was 200 though. Well, this is how my room looks now. Like, it's a mess. Those are the items I'm gonna be living with because we're gonna do some activities also. These, I think we can say they are toiletries and a yard. And those are some of the shoes I'm taking. But we need to fix some of the things. Those are the dirty clothes that I need to wash. With this outfit, like I bought this bag specifically for this day. But I think I will go with this one because it matches more with my hair. Cutesy, but I'm gonna take it with anyways. Okay, so I just took a shower. That's why I'm wearing this. So I just want to show you something. I bought this wig. I'm gonna be wearing that because I'm too lazy to install. So it's apparently a donor hair bob wig, super double drawn, 6x2 Kim K. So I am done with the hair. I believe I am done packing, but I haven't chosen which jersey will I go for. This is what I have. These are my glasses, my shoes, my wig, my watwati, my bags. And then this side, this is my toiletry bag whatsoever. Toiletry / makeup bag. But on this one I did put in perfumes and other small things. I think I can put this here as well because it's not open. So this is where I put, and then the other perfume I put. These boxes have some of the meds I need to take out to here. Blanket that we're gonna use for the picnic, but I don't know, it's too wide. I'm also thinking of taking this, but ngizobona. And then these are my jerseys. I can't decide between the two. Which jersey do I wanna wear? Like, which one goes with this? This one does, even this one, but this, it's a bit big and stuff like that. And then these are the picnic trays that we're gonna use. This is something to, we can say like a cooler box. We're gonna put in all the beverages here when we at the picnic. And then that is the don't gift for the birthday girl. And then this is my drink. Obviously, I'll take that with me. And then this is my bag. So, and here I have paint and those canvases where we're gonna paint my wallet and more bottles. But now I also have this. I don't know where I'm gonna put that one. This is me. So now I need to do the lashes because my friend is still taking a bath because she had to run her last errands. Now I'll just do my lashes and we're good to go. What I was talking about. Why? This is one of the meds. So
stay hydrated and take your meds. Located.
I've been wanting this. This is my toothbrush. The other one I had label toothbrush. I love it to bits. It's made of wood and you can easily dispose of it than the plastic ones. I got it from Take-A-Lot, obviously. So this is basically how it looks. And I think last time I got the pink one or the blue one, I'm not sure. But that will go in here. This is my wig hair protector. And what else did I got this as well because I have this back pain. So I got more pain tablets because yay, I suffer from pain tablets, from pain tablets. And then I got this deep heat for period pains. It's a patch. I've never used this before, but I think it's gonna make things easier for me. And then I also got this as well to spray my hair before using the eye or any what. And then I also got this concealer and I was panicking. Funny thing is I was panicking about not finding my concealer, but I forgot I had ordered this concealer. This one I understand why it has such. And we have this, my fave, sparkling wine. I think I'll put this inside the bag. Can it fit though? It's gonna have to fit. I was about to throw the boxes away. I realized I didn't take out this. This is an essence primer. So yeah, I will leave all the prices of each and every item I got on the screen.
It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright.
Finished everything. My lashes are done, although it's not what I wanted, but it is something. Ready to go. It was last so cute. What? Destination.
Here's to another year of us laughing at our own jokes, dealing with stupid people and keeping each other sane. Love you, guess son. Let's go.
Love you. So now what's the time? The time is 44. No, it's 44 minutes past 4, and we're supposed to be where we're going before 5, and the estimated time? It's 30 minutes, so mathematically possible unless Siamba no fun dump. Who's that guy who speeds? Yeah, unless we are driving with that person. but we are very late because of one person. But my friend is here now. Say hi to the vlog. Birthday girl to be.
Birthday girl, right?
And I just read it's girlfriend's day, and apparently it's not the partner's girlfriend's one. It's like females friendship type of day. So today we're celebrating that, and tomorrow we're celebrating her birthday. But anyways, see you once we get there. No, Konje, I will do another vlog of that. But anyways, thank you so much for watching.